live 5 minutes away from I-405 in a beautiful house, just 1.3 million. Let's go. Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. Today I'm in Renton, Lower Kennydale, and this is one of the most sought after communities in Renton. It is only 5 minutes away to I-405 and 5 minutes to the landing, which is basically the best shopping area in Renton. And as you can see, the community is quiet, is private, has a lot of consistent homes, very beautiful. And the school district actually has a highly rated elementary school, which is Hazelwood, which is great. And then this home, as you can see, is a 2-story classic American single-family home. It was built in 1996, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, and the square footage is just over 2,200. And when you actually pull over, and the curb appeal of this home is perfect. As you can see, the front yard is very spacious and has a lot of elegant plants. It looks like a 2 million home, right? And the home is renovated. Let's go and check it out. Welcome to the home. So walking through the front door, this looks like a 2 million home living room. It has vaulted ceiling and then big windows on all 3 walls. So there's a lot of natural light and you can actually see great view from all the windows. So coming in, this is the living room. You can put in your best furniture. You can put in, a grand piano. It will make the room really luxurious. And here is the formal dining area. I like how spacious it is, and then also we have a huge window here that actually look into the backyard. You can easily fit in 8 to 10 people in this area. And here is the kitchen. I like the arrangement of it. It's very practical, has an island in the middle, and then all the appliances are brand new. And the seller wants the buyer to just move in and enjoy the home. It has granite countertop, and then the white cabinet is just painted. It looks really modern. And here is the family room. It's a great size, and then the focal point is a gas fireplace. You can easily fit in a huge TV on this wall and then put in chairs and couches, a lot of space. Let's go check out the backyard. Just after the cherry blossom, but I love the pink on the ground too. So this is a very well maintained and easily maintained backyard. It's very flat, fenced off, and then you can put in a lot of chairs, table here, so if you want to have a barbecue party, this is a great space. And then they have a little lawn right here, not a lot of lawn, so still very easy to maintain. And then my client actually grew some plants, vegetable, flower in the flower bed, so the whole backyard is very peaceful and is very easy to use. So on the 2nd floor, we have 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Let me show you the primary bedroom first. So this is a classic French door, and then coming in, it is a very spacious primary bedroom. You can easily fit in a king-size bed, huge nightstand, and also some furniture at this corner as well. What I really like about this room is it has great natural light and very good privacy. So you can still enjoy the cherry blossom a little bit, but even without the flower, you are looking at the trees instead of another people's house. And then here is the primary bath. This is another, good example of a 1990 primary bathroom. It has double sink, bathtub, and then its own shower room. And the whole room is so bright because it has a skylight here and then another window on the side. So if you want to move in and make it more modern, it's very easy to do. You don't need to even change any structure, just some cosmetic change. Now let me show you another room that we made it an office today. So we picked this room as an office because it has a beautiful Victoria style window on the side, great natural light, and it has a vaulted ceiling. This is the only one with the vaulted ceiling on the second floor. So we staged it as an office, but you can easily use it as a very bright, bedroom or a playroom for the kids. After looking at this home, this kind of layout is my favorite. I live in a Murray Franklin style home that was built around 2000, so I'm very familiar with all these arrangements, and I like how many skylights this home have, very good natural light, high ceilings, and I do enjoy the curb appeal at front and a very practical backyard. We're going to put this home on the market at 1.3 million. We're going to have a couple of open houses this weekend. If you like it, come and take a look. I'm Maggie. I'll see you next time.